Okay, today let's introduce the inverter DC spot welding power supply, LED display type. This power supply we introduce for film capacitor, automatic spot welder. First, let's introduce the connections. Okay. In the back side, 5 core, 2 core cable, power supply, power cable. The 5 core, we have 3 wire. We connect 3 wires: white, black, red. Red is common. Black is for trigger. You see, trigger. Okay. The 2 core is the error signal output. Limit signal. If later we will introduce. Okay, now we see how to use it. Okay, this is a circuit break. Here, the columns set. You see, set weld. CTW for continuous welding, single welding. I off, I on. This is a control mode. Constant current mode, I. W. Wise. Fixed wise mode. It's a pass wise mode. If we want to set the parameter, we press this to set. And use this to change. You can see, change the position. This to add. This is enter. Okay. Most important is the position. What is meaning. First, the first LED means schedule. Totally we can store 8 schedules, 8 group of schedules for different product. Normally we use like 0. Press enter. The second LED means this, means where this LED is. We can see here. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, H, L, P. This is time. T1, T2. T1 is screen's time. Screen's time means we use different video because this video already takes 4 minutes. We use different video to introduce.